How can I easily see all the details of an upcoming event? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be creating a workflow starting with a new event in Google Calendar. Then we'll be taking those details and creating a new record in Airtable. Alright, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. And we're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be new event to new record. And we'll go ahead and select our triggering app by clicking in the trigger box. And that's going to be Google Calendar. And the event is going to be new event. I'll click continue. Make sure I'm connected to my Google Calendar account. I'm going to select the calendar that I want this trigger to monitor. That's going to be my example calendar. And then I'll test this trigger. And we have a new event. So I'm going to use the details of this event to set up my workflow. So I'll scroll down to the bottom and click continue. And then for my action, my app is going to be Airtable. And my event is going to be create record. Connect to Airtable. The base within Airtable is going to be my workload testing base. And the table that I want to create the record within is my events table. So now I'm going to import information from my trigger to fill out these fields. So I'm going to come down to the drop-down menu. The name is going to be what's called the summary in the Google Calendar response by Fresh Tuna. The notes are going to be the description. The early bird catches the best tuna. The location is going to be the fish market. And the date and time is going to be the start date and time. And I know Airtable can already take this and convert it into whatever format you've set up within Airtable, which you'll see in just a second. So I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to test this action. And we have a success. So I'm going to click continue here, and I'm going to look over at my Airtable, and there it is. That event just popped up with the name, the description, the location, and it converted the date and time into an easy to understand format. So it looks like our workflow was working correctly. So we can jump back over to the workload editor and we can activate that workflow. And now every time there's a new event created in our example calendar, it will automatically create a record of that event in Airtable. That's an easy way to keep track of all your upcoming events. Please like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel. You can also be a part of our community by commenting on this video with any questions you might have or any suggestions for other app combinations you want to see videos about. You also can click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.